Most homes today are still built the same way they were 20 years ago. Brick, plaster, paint, that's it. But here's the real question. Are walls just supposed to divide space? Or can they actually perform? Because if your walls are only doing one job, you're missing a huge opportunity. Hello and welcome to Build It Sustainable. Today, we're going to rethink something very basic: walls. Not as materials, but as systems. Because modern construction is not about building thicker walls. It's about building smarter ones. Let's start with what a typical wall does today. It holds structure. It separates inside and outside. That's it. But a well-designed wall can do much more. It can reduce heat, control moisture, improve sound insulation, even integrate services. And once you understand this, you stop thinking in terms of bricks or blocks and start thinking in layers. Let's begin with the first concept. Insulated walls. Most walls in India are solid, which means heat enters easily and stays trapped. But an insulated wall works differently. Instead of one dense material, you create layers. For example, an outer layer for protection, a middle insulation layer to block heat, an inner layer for structure and finish. This reduces heat transfer significantly. And the result? Your house stays cooler without depending heavily on AC. Now here's something most people don't realize. Even a small air gap inside a wall can act as insulation. This is called a cavity wall. Two layers of masonry with a gap in between. That gap reduces heat transfer. It's simple, effective, and still underused. Now let's go a step further. Thermal mass door insulation combination. Instead of only blocking heat, you control how heat moves. A dense inner layer absorbs heat slowly, while an outer insulated layer delays heat entry. So the heat never reaches inside during the day, and by night, it dissipates. This is passive cooling, built into the wall itself. Now let's talk about something rarely discussed. Service integrated walls. In most homes, electrical and plumbing lines are cut into walls later. This weakens the structure and creates long-term maintenance issues. But modern wall systems include service cavities, meaning wires and pipes run inside planned layers without damaging the main wall. Cleaner construction, better durability, and easier maintenance. Now here's another powerful idea. Multifunctional walls. Walls that do more than one job. For example, walls that include storage. Walls that improve acoustics. Walls that help regulate humidity. Even simple ventilated wall sections can improve airflow inside your home. So instead of adding machines later, your wall itself becomes part of the solution. Now let's bring this back to reality. You don't need every advanced system in every house. But understanding these options changes how you build. Because now, instead of asking, which brick should I use? You start asking, what should my wall do? Should it reduce heat, improve comfort, handle moisture better? And once you answer that, the material becomes a tool, not the decision. And this is the problem with most construction today. We keep repeating old methods without questioning if they still make sense. But climate is changing. Energy costs are rising. Comfort expectations are higher than ever. And the way we build needs to evolve. So the next time you think about walls, don't think of them as just bricks. Think of them as systems. Because the difference between an average home and a high-performance home is often hidden inside the walls. If you found this useful, subscribe to Build It Sustainable for practical insights that actually help you build better. Let's build smarter and build sustainable. Thank you for watching.